This is a huge day. This is about 2.5 months leading up to this day. The last time you guys saw the R8, there were tons of things that I ordered incorrectly, and I'm happy to say that I've overnighted everything to hopefully make up for my mistake, make you guys feel a little less mad at me for screwing up and delaying this process. Woo! Calvin and I have already been diving into it because I just couldn't wait any longer. We have the new rotor on here, and if you look at it, look at right here, it says R. So we have the new right rotor, we have brand new pads, we have brand new pad sensors because these things always break. For those who have changed these out, there's really no way to save these. You're better off just ordering new ones. And on top of that, your boy finally got his new tires in. So now we have 325, 25, 21s as opposed to our 325, 30, 21 Cup Rs. These tires are amazing and I'm so sad I can't run them. For those who didn't see the video, the ODs are incorrect, meaning the rear tires are too tall and the front tires are too thin, meaning that the front tires will spin at a faster rotation than the rears, therefore overcooking the center diff in the R8, which is a big no-go. That's a $35,000 mistake if we overheat that. So if anyone is in the market for these tires and you're local to San Diego and you want to pick them up, DM me, email me, let's get these things sold. Let's get you on a fresh set of Cup 2s. The only thing we have to do is swap in the new brake pads on this right side, throw on the new tires and wheels, and we are ready for our first drive. These are always very, very scary because I want everything to go smoothly, and sometimes it doesn't, and that's just the name of the game. Guys, Calvin just punched himself in the face with a pair of pliers. Are you okay?
I'm good.
Are you good?
I'm good.
Blood warning to everyone watching. Look, you even have like 2 little bits of blood.
Don't zoom in on it, T.
So what, you were just like, bah!
Yeah, look. Whenever you're messing with spring tension, always wear safety glasses, you chotch boys.
Yeah, Calvin hit himself in the eye like literally 6 months ago with Street Hunter wide body kit, and now you're punching yourself in the face with...
Yeah, this is...
Oh, yep, that's how it happens.
That's how it happens.
Huge.
Doctor detective on the case.
All right, the OD's looking much better. We have the correct size tires. Calvin is stroking down the wheels right now. I believe we're good to go. Wish us luck. Okay, how do you feel? Are you as nervous as me? Are you as nervous as me?
No, I'm never as nervous as you, T.
Dude,
we did a
look
good
at
job.
this thing.
I'm nervous about the hood. I'm nervous about the hood.
Nah, the hood's good. The hood's super solid. If anything, I'm really nervous that we're gonna have really weird rubbing or something. Because keep in mind, we have 0 alignment on this car.
Look how sticky these tires are.
Yeah, these tires are so sticky. Yeah, these are the cups. That's why, because when I scrub on the inside, it's like, That was a really poor impression, but they're so sticky that I'm like, dude, they sound really gnarly right now. Okay, Calv's hopping in. He's like, I'm wasting no more time. Guys, let's just get a little appreciation. Dang, that looks so good. The front end in this car, dude, I'm Tony Stark. I'm Iron Man right now. We have no alignment, so we're gonna be kind of just keeping that in note. We're gonna be listening for any weird noises. You're still wearing your glasses, you know that?
Oh.
Yeah, you can keep them on.
I forgot.
If you're happy keeping them on, keep them on, baby.
Yeah.
If we do this test drive right now and we have 0 issues, I better see like 50,000 likes down below. Like, you can't end a season banger. This is
without 50,000
this
likes.
is just this isn't a season like ender. It's a chapter ender. What we have coming is huge bangers, okay? But I better see some love down below. Now keep in mind, the only warnings that we have at the moment are the
airbag warning.
Well, the airbags are in. It just says that like they need to be reset. The only warnings we have are the all-wheel drive malfunction stuff.
Oh,
but it says
it works perfect.
It says continue driving.
We're working perfectly.
Feels normal right now. Don't feel anything awkward at the moment. We don't have a front lift on this car.
And you just put a lip on it. And we all know, if you're putting a front lip on your car, you're begging to scrape it, okay?
We are, but we're not lowered or anything. Okay, so
How's the alignment, bud?
The alignment? I mean, we're not going fast.
Just don't launch it. Give her a good roll up. And then slam it, butter.
We'll open the exhaust. I'm gonna interrupt today's video to give you guys a little trick tip on how you can best utilize the best fluids in your car. Now, as you guys know, Valvoline is America's original motor oil, which is one of the many reasons as to why I choose to run them in all of my cars. And another great aspect is they have oils and fluids for everyone. And on their website, there is a product finder that you guys are probably not aware that you should be utilizing. Searching for the right oils and fluids and such for your car can be a little overwhelming when you first get into it. But by using Valvoline's product product finder. It allows you to enter your model, make, and year of your car, and then Valvoline will give you the suggested fluids for your car, so you never have any second guesses about what you want. You can also customize and change different filters on your options to specify what exactly you are looking for, so you never leave empty-handed. Be sure to check out Valvoline down below in the description, and check out the product finder for the next time you need to use anything oil-related or fluid-related for your car. Thank you so much for Valvoline for being a sponsor and partner of our channel. Now let's get back to today's video.
Okay, that's not necessary. We know this car's loud already. That's not necessary.
It feels perfect?
It drives straight. What did you expect, Teach? I don't know why you're always nervous about these sort of things.
How am I not gonna be nervous?
Because we put it together, and it's together. What do you mean? You put something together, it should work.
FYI, Cal, I put it in performance mode.
Okay, I'm gonna sit back. I'm gonna sit back real quick. Okay, that's loud. I'm gonna roll up my window there, but
are you kidding me?
I'm gonna roll up my window there, but that's loud.
We're in performance mode. Everything seems good. Seems good.
Bed the pads, bitch.
Bed the pads. You just want me to brake hard?
Yeah, you have to go pretty. You gotta go like 40 miles per hour and then slam them. Give it a good slam.
And the brakes.
Slam it. 40 miles per hour slam.
We're only at 30 right now.
Okay. It feels perfect. There you go.
I mean, again, I barely pushed the brakes.
I know, but that's what you have to. Something like that. But oh, this sounds really good. Half off. Half off. Okay, it's actually pretty quick. It's actually very quick.
Oh, it's so good.
It's so good.
Dude, the alignment's not even that bad.
It's not even
like,
bad at all.
I'm sure it's bad. Like, I know it's off. Like, there's no question. But like,
it doesn't feel bad. Your wheel's pretty straight.
Yeah, the wheel's pretty straight.
You okay,
so that
bud?
comfort, auto, dynamic, I don't know, performance and auto. Okay, so we're back in sport. Okay. You know what they say, you do one test drive, everything seems fine. A little ready for a little testy. Just a little testy, bud.
Just give her a little testy, bud. Oh,
okay, that was like 50% throttle.
That's a half off car. That's a half off speed.
Oh, you're telling me that I'm a little pussy boy?
Yeah, that was a little half off, Teach. Just like the car. That was a little half off. There's a guy right here. Oh, jeez. Oh, jeez. Oh, jeez.
Oh my god.
It's a quick car, Teach.
It's a Huracan, bro.
Half off.
It's a Huracan, dude.
Let's go. Oh, that was...
It works! It works! It works! It works! Let's go!
Taking it easy on your test drive.
Oh yeah, you know, well, we had to test it to make sure it worked okay. Dude,
How is it?
it's a Lambo. It's a half-off Lambo. That's how it is. It's so sick. Yeah, you can smell the coolant that I spilled all over the side of the motor right now. The alignment's really not even that bad. Like, the alignment's definitely off, but I mean, I went about like 85, 90 and it was running straight.
Oh, we smoking.
Oh yeah, that's all that coolant. Here, pop the back right now. All right, yep, definitely spilled coolant. Oh, I can see it overflowing and spitting on the coil backs. Should be fine. After that test drive with Calvin, I started to hear a little weird noise from the front right. I've tried to see if there's anything that is loose and I can't find anything. I've also looked at the axle, I can't find anything. So I'm now going with Ricky and gonna have him give an extra set of ears because there's something up there that I can't really quite figure out what it is. Wait, now, I hear it. I almost didn't hear it just now. I heard that, but that wasn't what I was hearing earlier. It's so hard to describe this.
Okay.
You want to rip those stickers off and we'll see if that's what it is?
Did you not take them off?
No, I never take the tire. People always flame me about not taking the tire stickers off. I like letting them wear naturally.
Well, now we have this issue.
Well, we'll drive again. We'll see if we hear it.
Front or back?
There should be in the rear. Maybe I'm like standing on them.
Keep going. Ah, dude, they're almost wore out.
Okay. Whenever we go over a bump, it like sounds like a bag of bolts. I don't have any more.
You gotta go faster.
There.
Oh my god, dude, that's...
What?
You have something loose. Like something that's bad.
Okay, we're going back. We're going back. Yeah, you can almost hear it just at idle. It's like, all right, so unfortunately the wheel bearing is shot, or at least that's what we think it is. I just put an order in with Audi, but I put a rush delivery on it, so we should have it the middle of next week. Every time I get close, we get screwed. I was gonna take it home tonight, but now we're not, and it actually kind of works out because we're going to the track tomorrow. So I'm gonna take home the truck and trailer, and then makes my life easier tomorrow morning, so I'll just leave from my house to the track. Sometimes I'm a horrible YouTuber and I forget to film my outro, so that's what this is right now. I just finished editing this and I realized I didn't really explain it too much, but we believe that the noise that we were hearing was the front right wheel bearing, which we had not replaced a part of the front suspension. So I put an order in for that a few days ago. Hopefully it should be here very, very quickly. Hopefully we replace that, everything goes smoothly, and the car should be good to go. But other than that, we had a very successful drive, all things considered, and I'm happy with our progress, and I better see you guys show up and give some love on this video because that was a huge day and I was super excited to share with you guys. The next video you're gonna get is gonna be a super special one, so I'm very happy to show it to you guys. I'll see you guys then.